I wake up in my luxurious penthouse suite every morning. I have a personal chef who prepares my meals. My closet is filled with designer clothing and accessories. I travel on private jets to exotic destinations. My car collection includes the latest luxury vehicles. I have a team of personal assistants to handle my schedule. My home has a state-of-the-art gym and spa. I invest in high-end art and collectibles. I attend exclusive events and parties. I donate to charitable causes. My vacations are spent on private islands or yachts. I have a personal driver to take me wherever I need to go. My home has a home theater and entertainment system. I own multiple properties around the world. I have access to exclusive clubs and memberships. My pets are pampered with their own personal groomers and trainers. I invest in stocks, real estate, and other ventures. My staff includes a personal stylist and hair makeup artist. I enjoy fine dining experiences at Michelin-starred restaurants. My home has a wine cellar filled with rare and expensive bottles. I attend fashion weeks around the world. My vacations include private tours and experiences. I own a private island or retreat for ultimate relaxation. I have a personal trainer who keeps me in top physical shape. My staff includes a personal masseuse for daily relaxation. I own a private jet or helicopter for quick travel needs. My home has an infinity pool with stunning views. I invest in startups and emerging technologies. My staff includes a personal assistant for every need, including travel arrangements and reservations. I attend exclusive sporting events and games from VIP boxes or suites. My vacations include stays at 5-star resorts or hotels. My wardrobe includes custom-made designer pieces tailored to my exact specifications. I own multiple luxury watches and jewelry pieces from top brands. My staff includes a personal security team for my safety and protection. I invest in high-end technology gadgets and devices for my daily use. My vacations include private yacht charters or cruises around the world's most beautiful destinations. My staff includes a personal driver for my luxury vehicles, including limousines and sports cars. I attend exclusive concerts, shows, and performances from VIP seats or boxes. My home has multiple guest rooms for entertaining friends and family members in style and comfort. I invest in rare collectibles, including art, antiques, and memorabilia from historical events or celebrities' lives. My staff includes a personal shopper who sources the latest fashion trends from around the world for me to wear. I enjoy spa treatments at the world's most luxurious resorts and hotels. My vacations include helicopter tours of scenic locations. I attend exclusive charity galas and events to support worthy causes. My home has an outdoor entertainment area with a bar, grill, and lounge chairs. I invest in cryptocurrency, gold, and other alternative assets. My staff includes a personal language tutor who helps me learn new languages. I enjoy horseback riding on my private ranch or estate. My vacations include private island hopping tours on luxury yachts. I attend exclusive fashion shows from front row seats. My staff includes a personal photographer who captures every moment of my life in high-quality images. I enjoy all fine things from around the world from my extensive collection. My vacations include stays at private villas with stunning ocean views. I invest in green energy solutions to reduce my carbon footprint. My staff includes a personal life coach who helps me achieve my goals and aspirations. I wake up in a king-size bed with silk sheets. My closet is filled with designer clothing and shoes. I own multiple luxury cars. My private jet is always on standby for travel. I have a personal chef who prepares gourmet meals. My house is equipped with the latest technology and gadgets. I take regular trips to exotic destinations. My jewelry collection is worth millions. I attend exclusive events and parties. I have a team of personal assistants to manage my schedule. I invest in high-end real estate properties. I enjoy fine wine and champagne. My beauty routine includes regular spa treatments and facials. I own a yacht for leisurely cruises. I have a private island for ultimate privacy. I donate to various charities and causes. My pets live in luxury with their own personal staff. My art collection is worth millions of dollars. I own multiple businesses and investments. I travel by helicopter for quick transportation. My vacations include private tours and experiences. I have a private driver for transportation needs. I support local businesses and entrepreneurs. My home has a state-of-the-art security system. I enjoy exclusive access to VIP events and experiences. My private island has its own staff and amenities. I invest in stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. My wardrobe includes custom-made pieces by top designers. I enjoy fine dining at Michelin-starred restaurants. My private jet has luxurious amenities for comfort during flights. I own multiple vacation homes around the world. I support environmental causes and sustainability efforts. My personal library is stocked with rare and valuable books. I enjoy attending fashion shows and events around the world. My art collection includes works by famous artists from different eras. I invest in cryptocurrency and other emerging technologies. My vacations include private islands and resorts for ultimate relaxation. I support education initiatives and scholarships for students in need. My personal staff includes a butler, maid, and driver among others. I enjoy attending concerts and music festivals around the world. My private jet has its own entertainment system for in-flight entertainment. I invest in startups and new businesses for potential growth opportunities. My vacations include adventure activities like skydiving, skiing, golfing, scuba diving, etc. I support animal welfare organizations and sanctuaries around the world. My personal staff includes security personnel to ensure safety at all times. I enjoy attending seminars, festivals and premieres around the world. My private jet has a fully stocked bar for in-flight refreshments. I invest in art galleries, museums, and cultural institutions. My vacations include cultural tours of historic sites around the world. I support healthcare initiatives and medical research organizations. My personal staff includes a personal shopper to keep my wardrobe up to date. I enjoy attending sporting events like Formula One races, golf, cricket, tennis tournaments, etc. My private jet has its own spa facilities for relaxation during flights. I am worthy of living a billionaire lifestyle. My mindset is aligned with abundance and prosperity. I attract wealth and success effortlessly. I am confident in my abilities to create wealth. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. My financial goals are achievable and within reach. I am open to receiving wealth and abundance from all sources. My actions align with my desire for financial freedom. I am disciplined in my spending habits and investments. My wealth grows exponentially every day. I am surrounded by supportive and successful individuals. My success inspires others to achieve their own financial freedom. I am constantly learning and growing in my financial knowledge. My wealth allows me to give back to my community and make a positive impact on the world. I am fearless in taking calculated risks to increase my wealth. My mindset is focused on abundance, not scarcity. I am always seeking new opportunities for financial growth and success. My wealth allows me to live a life of luxury and comfort. I am grateful for the financial freedom to pursue my passions and dreams. My success is a reflection of my hard work and dedication to achieving my goals. I am financially secure and worry-free about my future. My wealth allows me to travel the world and experience new cultures. I am surrounded by positivity and abundance in all aspects of my life. My financial success inspires me to continue striving for greatness. I am confident in my ability to overcome any financial obstacles that may arise. My wealth allows me to provide for myself and those closest to me without worry or stress. I am constantly manifesting new opportunities for financial growth and success. My mindset is focused on creating multiple streams of income for long-term financial stability. My wealth allows me to live a life of freedom and independence. I am grateful for the financial security that allows me to live a stress-free life. My success inspires others to believe in their own abilities to achieve financial freedom. I am disciplined in my financial decisions and always make strategic investments for long-term growth. My wealth allows me to pursue my passions without limitations or restrictions. I am constantly expanding my financial knowledge through education and experience. My mindset is focused on abundance, prosperity, and limitless possibilities for financial success. I own private jets. I own multiple homes around the world. My vacations are extravagant and often involve yachts. I have a personal chef. I have access to exclusive clubs and events. I dine regularly at fine restaurants. I have a team of assistants to handle daily tasks. My garage is filled with dozens of luxury cars. I invest in high-end art and collectibles. My wardrobes are filled with designer clothing. I have access to private islands and beaches. My homes are equipped with the latest technology. I have personal trainers and nutritionists on staff. I often attend red carpet events and galas. I donate large sums of money to charity. I have access to exclusive golf courses and resorts. I attend VIP parties and events. I own my own businesses and have control over my schedules. I can afford to travel anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. I have access to private clubs and lounges at airports. My homes include movie theaters and home gyms. I invest in high-end jewelry and watches. I attend private concerts as a VIP. I often have personal stylists and makeup artists on hand. My homes feature luxurious pools and spas. I can afford to fly in my favorite chefs from around the world for private dinners. I have access to exclusive shopping experiences at high-end stores. My wardrobes include custom-tailored suits and dresses. I enjoy dream vacation at private islands. I can afford to attend any sporting event or concert I desire with VIP tickets. My homes often include wine cellars stocked with rare and expensive wines. I invest in high-end real estate properties around the world. My offices feature top-of-the-line technology and equipment. I can afford to purchase rare and exotic cars for my collections. I have the financial freedom to pursue any passion or hobby I desire.